Yes, and I'm going to tell you about what is this particular RPM means. First of all, the meaning of RPM is revolution per minute. The meaning of RPM is revolution per minute. Remember this word, revolution per minute. Now you can see a particular figure over this board. That is how the revolution and what the revolution means. Now I'm going to tell you by an example, a simple example, that what is the meaning of revolution per minute. For example, this is a point and I look at this. I am just revoluting from this particular point. When I will complete a complete revolution in 1 minute, that means in 1 minute how much revolution I am doing. For example, I am continuing this process till 60 seconds, and at that particular time I have revoluted my hand to 200 times. That means the revolution per minute is 200. Now guys, the question is that what is the use of this screw RPM? What does the screw RPM does? For example, in an injection molding machine, screw RPM helps in feeding the raw material from one end to the another end. And second use, it helps in plasticizing the raw material. And the question is that how it helps in plasticizing. For example, when your screw is continuously rotating, or its RPM is increasing or decreasing, the screw RPM causes some shear force, some friction force over the material, and that helps in plasticizing the raw material. Thus your raw material is being plasticized along with the help of the band heaters or the heaters that you have produced for your injection molding process. So guys, what are the effects of this screw RPM? When suddenly you increase the screw RPM, the revolution per minute of your screw is very fast. Then what happens? The chances of degradation of the material is increases, and some other volatile gases can also enhance in your barrel. That volatile gases can also cause some gaseous marks over the product, and it may damage your product. The quality of the product may be damaged. Now what happens when the rotation, the revolution, the RPM of the screw is very less? Now it's revoluting very slowly. Then what happens? Then the chances of weld line, chances of melt line, and sometimes your product may be short. These type of defects can occur in your machine, occur for the product, and your product can be damaged, the quality can be affected. So it's our duty to understand the concept of screw RPM and to maintain the screw RPM, how much amount of the screw RPM is needed by our raw material just to make the product. So the screw RPM plays a vital role in the manufacturing of the products in injection molding machines. So guys, let's move towards the proper video of screw RPM. I have created a video for you to know about how the screw rotates inside the machine. So guys, let's move toward the video. Before that, if you are new to our channel or you are old to our channel and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. So guys, this is a Toshiba machine. In this particular machine, I'm going to show you how the screw RPM functions. So here is our screw. This is the barrel and the screw is fixed inside it. And now moving further, this is the motor area where the hydraulic motors are connected, and the screw is also connected in this particular motor. Let's see how. You can see it. The stainless steel type material is our screw, and you can clearly see it. It is being connected in the motor, and now we will see how it rotates. The motor rotates in the direction that is called anti-clockwise direction, and you can see this. This is the time of dosing. At the time of dosing, what happened? The raw material feeds from the hopper to the barrel. At that particular time, screw rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. Vice versa, you can see the motor is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, and you know that the screw is connected to the motor, so the screw also rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. You can see this, how it's moving. So remember it, at the time of feeding the raw material, the screw, the revolution of screw, the rotation of screw is in the anti-clockwise direction. This is how the screw RPM functions, and by changing the screw RPM speed, you can also increase or decrease the speed of this screw. When you will change this particular speed, the speed of the motor enhances, the speed of the motor changes. So the speed effects has been also applied over the screw. So this is the video of screw. So guys, hopes you understand how the concept says what is the screw RPM, and do subscribe our channel and stay connected with the Plastotech, the world of plastic. You can see that how the manually, I am just manually plasticizing it to show you all. This is the charging button, a very simple and efficient machine, Toshiba machine. So guys, let's move, and we will meet in the next video with some other great contents. Thank you.